In this video, we will get familiar with Anstrex In-Stream user interface. The user interface is divided into 4 distinct areas. On the top, you will find a drop-down menu bar which allows you to apply different filters and sorting methods to the data. Just below that, you will see a tabbed interface that allows you to view the data in 5 different formats. Top Creatives tab allows you to view the in-stream video creatives or ads from TikTok. Top Products tab allows you to browse through our curated list of products that are being promoted through various in-stream ad campaigns. Similarly, Top Stores tab enables you to see top-performing e-commerce stores that are running successful in-stream video ad campaigns. TikTok Products tab shows you the products that are being promoted exclusively on TikTok e-commerce store platform. Similarly, TikTok Shop enlists all the stores hosted on TikTok e-commerce platform. Below that, you will see Slider bar. Sliders are special type of filters that are meant for numerical parameters. Each slider has 2 handles, which enable you to define minimum and maximum value for each filter. Alternatively, you can also type the value by clicking on the number itself and entering the desired value using your keyboard. In this area, you will also find a search button which provides access to both basic search and more advanced search options. Just below the slider bar, you will see the results area which shows the actual data. Each data record is presented to you in the form of a card. Each card contains all the important parameters of the particular record. For example, a card on the Top Creatives tab contains all the important parameters pertaining to a particular creative, such as advertiser name, advertiser avatar, creative text, video, call to action button, views, duration, popularity, demographic and interest targeting parameters, geo-targeting data, operating system targeting, etc. Please remember that you can identify each parameter by hovering your mouse over that parameter. It is also important to note that this content loads automatically as you keep scrolling down the page. To maximize the use of available real estate on the page, the entire top menu bar vanishes while you are scrolling down. You can quickly access the menu bar at any point by slightly scrolling upwards. In addition to the aforementioned 4 areas, you can access your user profile, subscription status, payment methods, and invoices, and other supplementary services such as alerts and favorites by clicking on the drop-down menu at the top right corner. You can also toggle between the bright and dark user interface modes by clicking on the icon shown on your screen. To access video tutorials, click on the progress icon next to the theme color icon. Lastly, on the bottom right-hand corner, you will find access to our live support system where you will be able to chat with one of our support staff person when available or submit a support ticket. I hope this short video helped you to gain an understanding of the Anstrex user interface of the InStream product. See you again in the next tutorial video. Cheers!